We have multiplication of two binomials. Why? Because we have two terms in the first parenthesis and two terms in the second parenthesis. How we do multiplication of binomials? We have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis. Or if you see that we have t and t, the same variable, and number 4 different sign, so we have here difference of two perfect squares formula. Let me remind you, when we have a plus b times a minus b, this is equal a square minus b square. In our example, a is equal t and b is equal 4. So if you remember this formula, you can use this now, and this is equal just t square minus b square, so b is 4. So we have 4 to second power, this is equal t square minus 16. 4 to second power is 16. This is one way to solve this problem. Or if you don't remember this formula or you don't want to use this formula, we can do step by step. So first we have to multiply every expression in the second parenthesis by t. So we have t times t minus 4, and next we have to multiply every expression in the second parenthesis by 4. We have positive 4 times t minus 4. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means we have to multiply every expression in the parenthesis by t. So we have t times t. Next we have positive. When we don't have sign, it's always positive, times negative 4. So positive times negative give me negative. And we have t times 4 plus. Now we have to multiply t minus 4 by 4. So again we use distributive law of multiplication. So it will be 4 times t. And again positive times negative give me negative. So we have 4 times 4. This is equal t times t is t square. How I got this? We have variable t and t, the same base, so we copy the base and we have to add exponent. So if we don't have exponent, it's always invisible 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus t times 4. We always put first number and next variable, so it will be 4t, plus we have 4 times t is 4t, and 4 times 4 is 16. So we have negative sign, we have to copy 16. This is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have negative 4t and positive 4t. So 4t we can reduce. Negative 4t plus 40 will be 0. So we have t squared minus 16 only. So we got the same what we got when we used this formula, difference of two perfect squares. So this way was very short, but if you don't remember this formula, you can always do step by step and you will get the same answer. This is my solution.